All right, set one of our Introduction to Teen Numbers. This week, we will introduce students to teen numbers in sequential order using the colored beads, and then at the end of the week, we'll give them numbers in random order so that they can practice. Let's see what's on the docket for Monday. On Monday, our target is, I can write the names of important numbers in our number system, just like it was when we did base 10 and probably like it was when we did numbers 0 to 10. So we're going to start by naming some beads we haven't seen in a while. And so this goes back to collection 1, the introduction to numbers 0 through 10, and reviews a model that we've used before. So you'll say, if you know it, say it. Kids should be able to do this pretty easily. 1, 2, and it goes in order. So just have them shout it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you remember these beads? Let's see if we can do it in the opposite order. Here we go. If you know it, say it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's review. Which number is this? Probably most kids are going to remember that that's 10. We'll say, let's count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember when we were talking about ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands? This is the same thing as a 10. A 10 is a 10, and this is what it looks like. Let's write it, because we're going to get to some new ones now. All right, and then you'll have them reset your boards. And now we're into the new stuff with the teen numbers. So we'll say, what number is this? And then give kids a chance. They might shout out, they might know the number, or they might say, it's 10 and it's 1. And then you can break this down for them in this way. Yeah, I see a 10 and I see 1. Let's see what that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10 and one more, watch, is 11. That's how I build it, 10 and one more. Let's write it on our boards. Okay, so this is the format for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, introducing all these numbers in order. Each day on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we'll also do a little bit of a warm-up with the beads just to get their brains thinking. So we'll say, what's this? And so students can figure out which number it is, and then we kind of go up and down from there, getting their brains warmed up for the numbers that are coming that day. For example, when we introduce 14 or whatnot. Then on Thursday and Friday, we'll simply mix up the order and help students through just like we did earlier in the week with counting and seeing how these teen numbers are built. All right, drop any questions in the comments section and let us know if there's any way we can make this better or clearer for you and your students.